Hi, in this video lecture we are going to learn about the analysis of sequential circuits. Sequential circuits are analyzed. On completion of this topic, the learners can explain about the necessity of analysis of sequential circuits, and they can also able to solve the problems based upon sequential circuit. Before entering the analysis of sequential circuits, we have to know what is a sequential circuit and what is the difference between sequential circuit and combinational circuit. Before studying about sequential circuit, one should know what is a combinational circuit. From this combinational circuit, what are the changes done to get a sequential circuit? So first, what is a combinational circuit? As I said earlier, the combinational circuit is the one which is used to perform some operations. So half adder, half subtractor, full adder, full subtractor and comparator, these all are the combination circuit. This simply uses simply they have input state and output state. There is no present state, there is no next state. Only for the given input, output is generated. That is called as combinational circuit. Then second one is the sequential circuit. From this combination, in this combinational circuit, if memory device such as flip-flops or latches are added, then we can tell that is a sequential circuit. Sequential circuit are classified into two types. One is clocked sequential circuit, synchronous sequential circuits, or another one is asynchronous sequential circuits. So analysis of synchronous sequential circuit means this circuit, there are some steps to find the to develop the timing diagram. From the given circuit diagram, we are calculating the timing diagram. This procedure is called as analysis procedure. Design procedure means just reverse. From the timing diagram, we have to draw the we have to draw the sequential circuit diagram with the help of flip-flops. So first step number 1, there are in general 5 steps for the analysis of sequential circuit. Step number 1 is deriving the excitation equation, that is Boolean expression. So first step number 1 is deriving the excitation expression from excitation equation from the Boolean expression. This is step number 1 for any type of circuit given, logic circuit given, or the problem statement given. You are supposed to derive the excitation equation of the from the Boolean expression given. This is step number 1. After getting the step number 1, that is getting the deriving the excitation equations, we are moving the step number 2, that is deriving the next state and output equation. Next one is to deriving the next state, that is Qn plus 1, and output equation of this circuit diagram given. So this is the second type. So after writing the second type, we have to move for the third step, that is the generating next state and output tables. So generating next state and output tables are otherwise called as state tables. From the equations, we have the equation statements from the Boolean expression, we have to draw the state table. So after drawing the state table, the step number 4 is drawing the state diagram. It is another one form of representing the state table, that is called a state diagram. This is called a step number 4. So drawing the state diagram. Finally, drawing state diagram, developing the timing diagram according to the states is step number 5. So 5 steps for the analysis procedure. Deriving the excitation equation for the Boolean expression given is step number 1. Step number 2 is deriving next state and output equations for the statement which is received from step number 1. Then third step is generating next state and output equations, and fourth step is generating state diagram, and the last step is deriving timing diagram or wave diagram. Analysis of sequential circuits start with the logical schematic diagram from which we can derive the equations of each flip-flop input. So the output equation can be derived from the schematic, and once we can get the output and next state equation, we can generate the next state and output state tables as state diagrams. So when this reach the state diagrams, we can go for the state tables. Analysis of sequential circuit. The circuit will be given like this. For this given circuit, we have to write what is the flip-flop output 1 and flip-flop output 2. So flip-flop output 1 and 2 can be determined, and from this we can find out the steps one by one, and final we can draw the timing diagram. So timing diagram analysis of here we can write two flip-flops D0 and D1. D0 and D1 equations are written like this. Then after writing this, we can go to the next state and first state table, state diagram and timing diagram. So this is the way to analyze the given flip-flop from flip-flop logical, systematic or schematic diagram to timing diagram is called as analysis procedure. Just reverse timing diagram to flip-flops schematic diagram is called as design procedure. These are the steps to be remembered while doing the analysis of the flip-flop circuit. The circuit should be analyzed to produce the correct output in case of sequential circuit. That is why the analysis of sequential circuit is needed.